Hello and welcome to the lecture. Let's do some quick review and some things to remember before you finish this section. So first thing, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. That is the full form of CSS. CSS is used to design the content on the web page. That's the purpose of CSS. CSS can be written inside the HTML page. You can write inside the tag or outside in a separate file. CSS should be written in .css file, which you can include in the HTML file as well. Then we learned about types of selectors: universal selectors, type selectors, class selectors, ID selectors, attribute selectors, child selectors, descendant selectors, adjacent, sibling selectors, general adjacent selectors. Well, we have seen all the selectors and we have worked through all the examples of this. Then we have looked at pseudo classes, which is written using colon, and pseudo element, which is written using double colons. On the CSS rules, we saw two important rules. First one was inline CSS has the higher precedence. So anything that you write CSS on the tag will get the higher precedence. If you manually want to emphasize that you want some rule to have higher precedence, then you use something called as exclamatory mark important. They used to give higher precedence to that particular rule. Okay, so these were the things we covered in this section, and I hope you have understood what is the purpose of CSS, how to write CSS, and what types of selectors are available, and how you can apply your design to your HTML tags. Alright, so that's all for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.